Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage voice prompts for the headphones JBL Live Flex 3. You have to start by open JBL application, then scroll down and click on voice prompts. Now you can disable it if you want to by clicking here, and you can enable it by clicking at the same place. Also, you can change a language, so just click on language and now choose the best one for you. Let's say I wanna Espanol. Apply, and now it downloading it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!